Maharashtra government asked teachers and parents for their opinion on reopening schools from November 23rd. Private school teacher on hunger strike admitted to hospital in Jaipur. Uttarakhand Education Department says schools should be able to get NOC online. 7.5% quota could help up to 300 from government schools. Ladli scheme, Delhi government's plan for girl child suffers far fewer takers than last year. CBSE and ICSE schools in Karnataka finish portions, but state board teachers prefer offline classes. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: Maharashtra government asked teachers and parents for their opinion on reopening schools from November 23rd. The Maharashtra government had recently announced that the schools in the state will reopen from November 23rd for students of classes 9 and 12. After conducting a meeting, the state government is seeking the opinions of parents and teachers regarding the same. Varsha Gaikwad, the Education Minister of Maharashtra, recently tweeted that a meeting regarding the safe reopening of schools from November 3rd has been conducted with some senior officials, and now it's turn of parents and teachers to give their opinions. A private school teacher in Jaipur who was part of a hunger strike was admitted to the hospital after her condition worsened on Monday. Forum of Private Schools in Rajasthan has been protesting the non-deposition of fees for 5 days now. Anil Sharma, member of Forum of Private Schools Rajasthan, said that they have been forced to take this extreme step. Private schools are facing financial crunch as most schools haven't received fees. Uttarakhand Education Department says schools should be able to get NOC online. The Uttarakhand Education Department has directed officials to see that schools are able to obtain the NOC for reopening online. An order has been issued in this regard. The department officials have also been given the training to familiarize themselves with the online process. The Education Department has also released an order to fill vacant posts for primary education teachers. More than 300 students from humble backgrounds could enter medical colleges in a state this year thanks to the 7.5 special reservation for government school students. Of the 5,750 seats, 313 will be filled by these students. N. Jeevit Kumar, a government school student from Siluvarpatti in Theni district, topped his category by scoring 664 out of 720 marks. A major scheme by the Delhi government for the benefit of girl children, the Ladli scheme, is suffering under the effect of the COVID-19 pandemic, with a significant decrease in the number of enrollments so far this year, which experts say could impact the number of girl children joining and staying in school. Under the Ladli scheme, financial assistance is sanctioned for beneficiary girls commencing at their birth and then at various stages at their education up until the senior secondary level. Reaching the second half of the academic year, schools of CBSE and ICSE boards are gearing up to complete the syllabus. While some have completed the entire portion, others are lagging behind just a little. State board schools, on the other hand, are faced with students and teachers who lack the necessary technology to keep up with online. As their only resort is offline classes, they are demanding it. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.theenn.com, and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.